7:15 p.m. One of the leaders of a party, Bahujan Samaj Party, Armstrong, he was murdered when he had gone towards his residence, which is under construction. So this construction place, some of the accused had come and had murdered him. Subsequent to him, he had some 4 people accompanying him. They were also injured. During this thing, after the incident, as soon as we came to know, immediately he was rushed to the local clinic by his own support team. Later on, police went there, and subsequently a case has also been registered. So based on the initial investigation, which we came to know through the CCTV cameras and generally how we investigate cases regarding cell phones and other direct eyewitness account, we were able to nab 8 accused persons whom we suspect they are strongly involved in commission of this offence. So the team which had arrested them is inquiring them, and as on date, Mr. Armstrong's body, the PM was conducted, and we have made some arrangement for giving him the final resting place en route. So the situation in Chennai city is normal, law and order is maintained, and we will not leave any stone unturned to detect this case and to probe all the various angles where there seems to be some inputs. All the other accused who are part of this crime and who are involved in this will be brought to books, and we will see that all who are the genuine commission of offence, if there are any more, are brought on record. So the case is under investigation. Further details only once the investigation is over, we can give it.
So the BSP, the VCK, the Congress party leaders, they're all saying that those who've been arrested now are not the real culprits. How do you respond to that?
No, this only further investigation will prove, but right now we have sufficient evidence to prove that they are strongly suspected and they would have only committed the offence.
So if it's a retaliation killing in response to the murder of Arkat Suresh last year, what appears to be Armstrong's role in this?
It seems to be little premature to prove that it is a retaliation killing, but if there is, those angles are being probed into. If his role was there in any of the previous things, will be brought.
Sir, is there any political angle that you're making?
No, there is no political angle.
So, did the police not anticipate that there could be a revenge murder after Arkat Suresh?
See, he's not in any of the threat category which we have got. So, police was only watching him as a political leader. There was no specific threat or specific input about this kind of an incident.
What appears to be the motive now, sir, as of now, for the killing?
No, as of now, as I said, there are 2-3 angles and leads we have got. We are inquiring into them. Since the case is under investigation and we hope to catch all other accused, further details I will not like to
Not a political murder?
No, it doesn't point toward that. I don't think it's a political murder. That's what I said.
So
it is nothing like that.
There's also criticism that there is an intelligence failure, sir.
No, there is no question of intelligence failure because these things work only when there is some input. So there was no specific input in this regard.
So there were no threats that Armstrong received because some of them say that they
No, there is no specific threat which we have received or any indication or any other thing we had received. As I said before, he was a political leader of BSP. So regarding that, we do have certain inputs during the elections and all that we were keeping watch of.
So the 8 people who have been arrested now have surrendered themselves in the police station?
No, they have not been surrendered. We were chasing them, and that is how we picked them.
Is there a big link between these people? Do they have anything in common in the past that you found out?
No, some of them are criminals. That's what I said. All the criminal antecedents and how they were involved in other crimes, all that is a subject matter of investigation. Okay, thank you.